Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I've talked to you guys. So, what do we have here? We've got our stamping, yep. But the title should say something like unboxing or unboxing a certain vehicle. Yes, let's take this truck away. This is what we're unboxing. A brand new Traxxas TRX4 with the 1979 Ford Bronco cab or body. Yeah, I'm so excited. Now I will say the reason why the packaging is a bit messed up is because at our local hobby shop we did open it up to make sure it was on the right battery settings, because I'm currently not running LiPo batteries. I'm just running, I don't know, I'm not actually sure how you call these batteries. It says Traxxas power cell. I don't know if that's necessarily the name of the certain battery, but I'm not running LiPo batteries. So I guess let's just get started with it. So obviously in the front we've got the truck itself. We have low power portal, got portal axles, pretty sure. Yeah, I think those are portal axles. We've got over here kind of showing off what the truck has, the capabilities. Here we've got the approach angle. You know, we've got certain 2 speeds. Anyways, I'll explain it once we've got the truck out. Yeah, so let's get it opened up. I think I'm gonna have to get a knife to open it up. Okay, found one. So let's go ahead and open this. And that should be it. Yes, indeed. Alright, so get this thing open. I don't think I opened it the right way though, because I'm pretty sure we're supposed to have the controller directly like in the front, but that's fine. Alright, so the truck itself, just like that. And I will bring out, yeah, this thing's pretty large. Let's put this down. Get the controller. Right here, there's nothing else in the box. Good. So right here we've got the controller itself. Just pretty much like every other controllers. Just a couple bells and whistles. So over here we've got the truck itself. Now, like I said, we have actually opened up the truck to make sure it was on the right wheel setting, so that's why the cab is not into this plastic. Now it does come with 2 black pins to put them on the to keep the cab on the truck. To me, this is actually really interesting that they're black, because I'm used to having the chrome ones that are on my other trucks, just like these ones. These ones are chrome. That was just a small interesting thing that I noticed. Alright, so let's get this off. Oh, this is the satisfying part. Yeah, definitely satisfying. See if there's a... Oh, look at that. Wow. Alright. So let's get the actual cab off. So it does actually come with real windows, clear windows, so that's actually pretty nice. Sit this down. So I almost forgot. You've got over here the owner's manual, got some more pins, couple tools for the truck. yeah. So alright, so what we have here, we've got the truck itself without the cab. Over here we have the locking systems for the front and rear diffs, so that we can control that with the controller. I think it's this button right here. I'll figure that out later. We also have, I'm not 100% sure where it is, I think it might be this right here, well, not a manual transmission, but basically this truck has two speeds. One speed which is slower, which is, well, basically made to really crawl and do some technical crawling, and the other one is a bit higher of a speed to go a bit quicker. But I mean, keep in mind, it's not going to be fast. It's still, you know, a crawler. It's not going to go as fast as my my Stampede, that's for sure. And yeah, so that's the truck. It does come with the inner fenders, which that was something that I was really excited about. You know, try to kind of keep the interior a bit cleaner, keep the water off of the interior at least a bit.